Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
The University of Kent-led study, which is part of the European Research Council-funded project Relating Subjective Wellbeing to Biodiversity, Relate, set out to understand which components of nature and biodiversity played a particular role in human well-being. The team, which was led by Kent's Professor Zoe Davies, analyzed the effects of species traits, based on people's feedback following a series of workshops, to identify those that generate different types of well-being, e.g., physical, emotional, cognitive, social, spiritual, and global, the latte. The team found that, in general, the vast majority of species and traits are beneficial to human well-being. They also discovered that each species may support multiple traits, potentially with different impacts. For example, the colors of brambles, black, pink, red, are linked to multiple positive physical, emotional and social well-being types, but their prickly texture generated negative emotional well-being. The numerous traits from across an ecological community can elicit a multitude of well-being responses, illustrating the true complexity of how people relate to biodiversity. Professor Davies, a biodiversity conservationist at Kent's Durrell Institute of Conservation and Ecology, DICE, said, "While we know that spending time in natural environments can improve our health and well-being, we still need to know more about which species, or traits of species, such as colors." Understanding how people experience biodiversity is therefore key to successfully managing biodiversity to facilitate human well-being. Study co-author, Professor Martin Dalamer, from the School of Earth and Environment, University of Leeds, said, "For the first time, through analyzing people's how people respond to biodiversity is hugely varied, and if we want people's well-being to benefit from spending time in nature, then it is essential to make sure we are maintaining and restoring high-quality biodiverse spaces for wildlife and for people." Our aim is that these findings really drive home how important biodiversity is in underpinning well-being benefits, particularly to healthcare and public sectors who include spending time in nature as an element of mental health and well-being. Dr. Jessica Fisher, also from DICE, added, "By starting even small improvements in well-being at an individual level could scale up to substantial healthcare cost savings across an entire country." Our approach can be used to create better tailored public health interventions or architectural/landscape designs by, for example, maximizing the likelihood of people having interactions with certain species and their traits. Critically, as each additional species in an ecological community supports additional traits, maintaining or enhancing biodiversity will be key to delivering human well-being. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.